Children, today I am going to start exercise 2.3 with you, and the first question of this exercise is divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find quotient and remainder in each of the following. You have done this in class 9 also. So once again I'm going to tell you the whole procedure. So this is the polynomial px and you have to divide it by gx. This is the first part. Before performing the division, before you start the division, you must check that your polynomials should be in the standard form, general form. Now what is standard form? Standard form means the term having the highest power should be written first and then the next highest and then so on. Like you can see, we are having x cube here, x cube minus 3x square, then 5x and then minus 3. So power 3 here, 2 here, 1 here and 0 here. And same thing you have to check for gx also. As you can see, the power 2 here and 0 here. So both the polynomials should be in the standard form. This is the first step. After that we will start the division. Now when we divide normally, for example, we are dividing say 18 by 5. So we start the table of 5. We say 5 3s are 15. So it is not necessary to get 18 here. But when you are dividing polynomials, you have to see to this that first term, same first term you have to obtain here. X cube, you have to get x cube here. Now what is the procedure? You have to think कि with what number x square should be multiplied so that we can get x cube here. Okay. So x square को किससे multiply करें तो x cube आए. So x square should be multiplied by x to get x cube. So if you get it easily, that's fine. If you are having any problem, then what you can do, you can just shift to rough work. Now what is this rough work? In this rough work, what have I done? I want to obtain x cube and I am having x square. So to see with what number x square should be multiplied to get x cube, what have I done? I have divided x cube by x square. X cube I have divided by x square. So I have got x. So I have got this number that it should be multiplied by x. Now I have written x here. After that, this number should be multiplied by both these numbers. It is not to be multiplied only by x square. It will be multiplied by minus 2 also. So I have written it here only. X multiplied by x square minus 2. So I have got x cube minus 2x. So now this will be written here. You have to write like terms together. So x cube I have written here and minus 2x I have written here under x. Because I did not have any term which had x square, so I have written 0x square. So this is your choice. You may write, you may not write, right? Now x cube I have written here and minus 2x I have written here. After that, next step, as you know in normal division also, the next step is subtraction. You subtract 15 from 18. So same thing we are going to do here. So when polynomials are subtracted, you know what do? We change the sign. Okay. Now we have changed the sign. This x cube has become minus x cube and this plus 2x has become, the minus 2x has become plus 2x. So after that this will be cancelled. X cube minus x cube cancelled. You will get 0 here. Then 3x minus 3x square plus 0x square. This will become minus 3x square. And plus 5x plus 2x you will get plus 7x. And then minus 3 here, right? Now after this step, again we will go back to the same step. Now this is your first term. अब आपने ये सोचना है कि with what number -3x square, with what number x square should be multiplied to get minus 3x square. So again, if you are able to get minus 3 directly, fine. If you are not able to get it directly, then this is the second step. Minus 3x square I have written here. Then I have divided it by x square. So minus 3x upon x square, I will get minus 3. So that means it should be multiplied by minus 3 to get minus 3x square. So I have written minus 3 here. Okay. Now I have multiplied minus 3 with this polynomial. So minus 3 into x square minus 2, I have got minus 3x square plus 6. This is the main mistake which the students do. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 2, you get plus 6. Remember this, okay? So I have written this again, minus 3x square here and plus 6 here. And as I did not have any term containing x, so I have written 0x. So again same procedure. I will change the sign. Subtract करने के लिए sign change. Then this will get cancelled. Minus 3x square plus 3x square will become 0. And then 7x plus 0x you will get 7x, and minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. Now the question is, where should we stop? Children, you have to check the degree of this polynomial is 2. So whenever you get in the remainder a polynomial whose degree is less than the degree of the divisor, you have to stop there only. As you can see, its degree was 2, and here I got a polynomial whose degree is 1, so I have stopped here. The procedure will be stopped here. Now what is the quotient here? X minus 3, and what is the remainder here? 7x minus 9. Now this is your first part. Now children, I would like to tell you that these type of questions, this is first type of question. Simply you have been asked to find quotient and remainder. कभी कभी आपसे पूछा जाता है कि is gx a factor of px? Now when gx will become a factor of px? Gx means this divisor, px means the dividend. When is this divisor is a factor of dividend? If the remainder is 0, then we say gx is a factor of px. So as you can see, remainder is not 0 here, so this gx is not a factor of px. So if the remainder is 0, then it is a factor of px. So if you are asked, sometimes the question is divide the polynomial and state whether gx is a factor of px or not. So we say remainder is 0, therefore it is a factor, or remainder is not equal to 0, therefore it is not a factor. After that, sometime you also get a question where you are asked to verify. After the division, आपको इसको verification करना है. And what is verification? Px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. This is nothing but, children, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We have called the dividend as px. We have called the divisor as gx, quotient qx, and remainder rx. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This relationship you have to verify. Again I repeat, whenever we are verifying something, please don't write this is equal to this, because we are still verifying whether we are getting them equal or not. So I have taken only the right hand side. So because there was nothing to do in left hand side. Left hand side is only px. तो हमने right hand side को लिया gx into qx plus rx. So I put the values. Gx is x square minus 2. Qx is x minus 3. And plus rx is 7x minus 9. So as you know, according to Bodmer's rule also, first of all we need to multiply them. तो पहले हमने इन दोनों को multiply किया. तो multiply करके and then plus 7x minus 9. When we have solved the whole thing, we have got x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and this is your dividend. This was your px also. Okay? So then this is equal to px. So hence we have verified that px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. I hope it is clear to you, children.